Just wanna see the light.
Hello and welcome back again to the course on game development using Unity3d. In this video, we'll simplify our code and make a StartGame function which will perform action when a player give input from the keyboard. So in this video, we'll respond to the user input and choose a level and perform the action. So let's go straight forward to Visual Studio. Now we will start by making a method StartGame with a parameter level of integer type. So basically this function will perform any task according to the level. Void start game int level inside start method we will write terminal.writeLine. Your level is and plus level. Now we will call our newly created method StartGame in our if statement by passing a parameter. Now save the code and jump back to Unity. Oops, we have got error here. Actually, I have forgotten to close the bracket here. Again, save and jump back. Now when I choose 1 and press enter, your level is 1, and at the console also we can see the result. Again when I press 2 and press enter, your level is 12. Again I have got error. Actually I have passed a value of 12 at a parameter on start game. I will make it 2. Okay, fine. Now we will make our variable level available to the whole class by moving it from start game to outside of the all method. Now we can delete the label supplied while calling the start game method. And write label equal to 1. Label equal to 2. And label equal to 3. Now finally save and jump back to Unity. Now when I press 1, 2 and 3 respectively, your label is 1, 2 and 3 is printed at terminal. How did you guys get on, or have you stuck on? If you have any difficulties, then comment below. I'll meet you in the next lecture.